Alright, let's talk about Form Social Media's glow-up crypto style. So, you know social media, right? That thing we all use, hours and hours just scrolling. Sometimes it feels like we're the ones being scrolled. Our data, sold, our attention, monetized. It's like we're working for them, for free. Well, there's a new kid on the block, it's called Form. It's here to shake things up a bit. And honestly, it's about time, isn't it? Now, Form is part of something called SocialFi. Fancy word, I know, it just means social finance. Think of it like this. Your social life meets your bank account, but like, in a cool Web3 kind of way. Form is a Layer 2 blockchain, built on something called the OP stack. Sounds techy, but it just means it's smart and fast. Why a Layer 2, you ask? Good question, you're sharp. Imagine current internet is a busy highway. Everything is slow and expensive. A Layer 2, like Form, is like an express lane. Breaking down Form, the nuts, bolts, and shiny bits of this SocialFi Gizmo. Alright, so what exactly is Form? Is it another app? Another website? Not quite. It's more fundamental. Think of Form as the foundation, the digital pipes and wires, if you will, for a new generation of social platforms. Platforms where you're not just a user, you're a participant, an owner even. It's built for social from the ground up. The main ingredient, the OP stack. Now don't let the name scare you. It's basically a super cool Lego set. For blockchain developers, that is. It lets them build these Layer 2 solutions, like Form, customized for specific jobs. In this case, the job is making social better, faster, cheaper, and more community-focused. It's like giving social media a much-needed upgrade. Form is all about enhancing digital interactions. You know, the stuff we do online all day. Chatting, sharing, creating, connecting. Form wants to make these interactions count. Not just for the big tech companies, but for you, for the community. Imagine your contributions actually having value, real tangible value. How Form works its magic incentives, yields, and liquidity. Oh my, so how does Form actually pull this off? One of its secret weapons, programmable incentives. Okay, maybe not so secret. It means platforms built on Form can automatically reward users for doing awesome things online, like contributing great content or helping to run a community. It's like getting paid for being a good digital citizen. Then there's something called native yield. This is where it gets really interesting. It means you can earn just by being part of the Form ecosystem or by holding certain tokens. Think of it like your social capital, suddenly starting to earn interest. Your online presence isn't just for show, it can actually work for you financially. How cool is that? And we can't forget deep liquidity. Liquidity is just a fancy word for how easily you can buy or sell something, or trade your digital assets. Deep liquidity on Form means the tokens and rewards you earn can actually be used, traded, or cashed out. No more being stuck with internet points. Section 4. Form's special moves, tokenized tribes, decentralized Chit-Chat, and creator cash. Form has some pretty neat tricks up its sleeve. One of them is tokenized communities. Imagine your favorite fan club, or your online gaming group. Now, imagine membership isn't just a list, it's a special digital token. This token can give you voting rights, or access to exclusive stuff. It's like a VIP pass with actual power. Next up, decentralized social networks. This is a big one, folks. Tired of Facebook or X, you know, Twitter calling all the shots? Decentralized social networks on Form mean no single company is in charge. You have more control over your data, more say in what content you see, and less chance of being randomly deplatformed. It's social media by the people, for the people. And let's talk about creator economies. This is huge for anyone making stuff online. Writers, artists, musicians, video makers. Form helps you connect directly with your audience, monetize your work through tokens or NFTs. Section 5. Form's playground, where it builds the coolest sandcastles, community content, and control. So, what is Form particularly good for? Well, first off, community building. It's not just about gathering people online, it's about giving them tools. Tools for shared ownership of the community, tools for making decisions together. Imagine a book club where members vote on the next book using special tokens. That's the kind of empowerment Form enables. Content monetization gets a big boost too. We touched on creator economies, but let's dig in. Form allows for innovative ways to earn, beyond just ads, which, let's be honest, can be annoying. Think NFTs that unlock exclusive articles, social tokens that grant access to a creator's community, or even direct tipping systems built right in. It's about valuing content properly. and rewarding those who create it. Then there's decentralized governance. This is about communities running themselves. No more top-down decisions from a single admin. With Form, groups can set up voting systems using tokens to represent voting power. Section 6. Form in action, from your friend's fan club to running a digital town hall. Let's get practical. How would this look in real life? Imagine a new social platform built on Form. Maybe it's dedicated to sustainable living. Users share tips, post eco-friendly products, and they earn tokens for helpful content. These tokens let them vote on platform features, or get discounts from partnered green businesses. It's social media with a purpose and perks. That's one way Form could change things. Or think about creator hubs. A musician could use Form to build her superfan base. She could release new songs as limited edition NFTs, give token holders exclusive backstage content, or even let them vote on the next album cover. It's a direct line to her most passionate supporters. No record labels taking a massive cut, just the artist and her community, thriving together. Pretty revolutionary, if you ask me. Section 7. The crystal ball for Form, big plans, more friends, and growing the crypto party. So what's next for Form? What's the future hold? Well, a big part of it is ecosystem partnerships. Form can't build this new social web alone. It needs to team up with other projects, integrate with wallets, DeFi protocols, other apps. The more connections, the stronger the network. Think of it like making new friends who all bring something cool to the party. That's how the ecosystem grows and gets better. Developer tools are also super important. If you want people to build on Form, you need to give them the right tools, like easy-to-use software development kits, SDKs, and clear application programming interfaces, APIs. The goal is to make it simple for developers to create the next wave of decentralized social applications, lowering the barrier to entry for innovation. And of course, community growth is key. Form needs to get the word out, attract users, creators, and communities to its new way of doing social. This means good marketing for sure, but also things like grant programs to fund promising projects building on Form, and showcasing the success stories to inspire others to join the movement. Ultimately, Form is more than just technology.